The TN robot series is very unique because vision and AI are built directly into the robot itself.
Our product is laminating machine can be applied for shoe material, footwear, bedding materials, car interior, medical material.
In Syntec, we provide CNC controllers and robots. We also have our robot solutions. These are majorly meant for automation in the factory level.
We started off with the manufacturing of components like the ball screws and LM guides, which are used in all the automation and CNC machines.
The product is what we call it iHouse Smart Total Solutions. And it provides a test and chemical weighing, dissolving, and distribution system.
Syntec's bio-based chemical supplier, which is providing total chemical solutions to these textile processing units.
They are pioneers in the field of dyeing machines. They are especially very popular for long tube dyeing machines used for synthetic fabric.
Is on a dyeing house pre-treatment machine. Now we can safety about 40% water and about 30% power, 35% is steam.
This is our SRV version. We designed this model for the synthetic fabric.
The current machine is used in the textile industry to smooth and compress fabrics. It also can provide like rainproof, water pressure, also dampproof and air permeability.